At Iceberg Data Lab, we specialize in environmental impact calculation at the company level. We offer a large variety of products, including reporting, stewardship, and investment strategy, based on a database developed internally. Iceberg is well known for its ability to model scopes 1, 2, and 3 upstream and downstream on a large variety of products, like the corporate biodiversity footprint, the company's temperature alignment, and its percentage level of activity aligned with the EU taxonomy, thanks to our granular model, the Wonderpuss. Ideal's Wonderpuss takes into account the economic and environmental realm of a company. This allows us to generate the goods and services consumed and produced by a specific company through its sales, both defined per segment and per country of activity. Let's take a milk company, for instance. The company is selling for 14.3 billion euros in its segment Operation of Dairies. Our model Wonderpuss is able to model the amount of tons of dairy products, such as milk, yogurt, and beverages, produced by the company for a specific year. Let's say 1.7 million tons, and the associated number of tons consumed necessary for this production. Let's say 5.1 million tons of milk, 50,862 tons of palm oil, and 1,212 gigawatt-hour of electricity. Once we have the 1.7 million tons of dairy products produced, the environmental model generates 4 environmental pressures that arise from this production. Since we know if the goods or services are produced or consumed by the company, we can allocate the different scopes per pressure. Once we have the environmental pressures, we convert them using damage functions into the amount of biodiversity loss resulting from companies' activities. In the end, this allows us to compute 4 indicators: the corporate biodiversity footprint, temperature, green share alignment, and the net environmental contribution. In order to enrich our analysis, our team of analysts can add reported data, not only for each commodity, but also for the company's different environmental pressures. This allows us to add the concept of data quality level to all our products, thereby allowing investors to differentiate between modeled or reported data. Our granular environmental model allows you to cover many use cases through the corporate biodiversity footprint, which measures the biodiversity footprint of your investments, by ensuring that your portfolio is aligned with the Paris Agreement through the 2-degree aligned score, with the carbon footprint on every scope from the suppliers to the whole life cycle of the products, but also with the contribution to the ecological transition of your investments through the green share or the principal adverse indicators.